Alright, y'all, what's up? We're back here, day 2 of Seeking Smallies. The boys are on the boat. We're getting ready to head out. We're waiting on Mom and Cody right now. But yesterday we had some boat issues with our battery, so Dad went this morning and bought a new battery. I would have videoed all that, but it's kind of hard because I'm not really going nowhere with my foot right now because it's hard for me to walk a little bit. But we're about to get on the boat. We'll see how we do today for y'all.
I just like the sound of it.
Smallmouth.
Cody's hooked up.
Got it?
Might want to weigh him.
That's shell right there, right? I think it's a shallow ledge there, right? He was home.
Release him over here. See if he goes back.
We'll go right back to it.
Him.
Yes, indeed.
Alright, y'all, so midday update. We caught a lot of fish today. Everything on bed so far. We're still in drop shots right now.
No.
We just got a little snack break.
It was two.
But we're sitting out here on the boat. We just got up under some shade and had some lunch, but
There's one more.
we're gonna get back to fishing right about now.
Was that off that one?
Pull your arm off. me and Cody got a little double action going. Yeah.
Double them up.
Double them up. Guys, I'm telling you, this fish right here is about 12 inches, but he's every bit of a pound and a half. They're so thick. So thick.
Here.
Good ones. Smallies, 2019.
Did I not catch one off this?
No, we're up in. That's a hanger. That's a big fish there. Is it big?
Oh no, he's a good one. I don't know how big he is.
No, he's not that big.
Very good man on him. I don't know how good of a
Go
big
on
one
the
that
scale, mommy.
is. He's digging.
He's a fighter.
It's that current in here. Dad's got one.
Another red here for me.
It's
You
not.
get the gold, I get the bronze.
Here we go, y'all. Good one. Put him off the edge of this dock right here. And nice smallie. We're catching them a lot better than yesterday. We've got in behind these islands. The wind and stuff really hurt us yesterday, but we're figuring it out a little bit today. So
Slow
good
down,
one.
Cody.
Put him back over here.
How are we moving so fast?
We haven't saw as many beds. Like whole area.
Is it?
Here we go, another one. Not a bad one. Okay, there we go. Another good little one. Pretty, man. They were really pretty. Yeah. So we're back.
Or hang it.
I'll net it.
Yeah.
We don't need it. Go get time to get one.
On a drop shot.
Alright guys, we got one on the bed right here. We're gonna see if we can catch him. There he is. 14-incher.
Can't seem to find the big ones today, but man, we're catching them.
Oh, there's tons of more beds up here, guys. Your pole's ready.
I want to take this out so I can get this little fella in here.
He's a puller. Why do you won't give up? Fatter one right there. Might have to weigh him. Look at this. Whoa. Look at that. Okay, boys. Right here. Just saw us bed right here. First cast. Ned Rig got it. We've had a pretty good day today. We've caught around 25. Just can't find the big ones. Need about a pound and a half. And this guy right here, he's got a little tattoo on him. All right, well, let's get her back. Put her right back on her bed.
Third double of the day. I think so. Anyways, here's a little double.
No double. I need to fly.
I didn't even see that. You just make the prediction.
Alright guys, Caden ticked up.
And they're fine. There we go. Alright y'all, it's a good one. Another 12, 13-inch fish. How to get in there? He's on a bed. There he is. There's a big one. Huh?
Oh, it's a hog. Can you slow us down a little, Cody, or not?
Oh, I did slow it.
Can you slow us down a little?
I just turned the... You need a net, Caleb? Huh?
Yeah, maybe. That's enough.
It's enough, bro.
That right there's way done to me. Maybe I'll get that worm out of him.
I'll weigh him. Alright guys, little smallmouth on the Ned rig right there. This little kind of point thing, a little current break. It's a good fish. I'm gonna see what he goes.
Wait a minute, okay.
Literally.
Alright y'all, so we are wrapping it up for the day. It's around 8 o'clock. Sun's getting ready to set. This is beautiful out here. Honestly, it's just like, it's a different kind of, it's a different feel out here than back home. But we're about to pack it up, head in, we'll get us something to eat tonight. We'll see y'all at the ramp.